If you want to use Dual WhatsApp on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to use Dual WhatsApp on your iPhone, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your iPhone. Now from here, just tap on Open. Tap on Continue and select Ask App Not to Track. Now from here, just select I have read and understand the privacy policy and tap on Continue. Now just select parallel space, then tap on the plus icon over here. From this list, just select WhatsApp, and after you add WhatsApp to this list, you will be able to use Dual WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now from here, just sign into WhatsApp. As you can see, by doing that, you will be able to use Dual WhatsApp on your iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can use Dual WhatsApp on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.